Let's look at 301 redirects now, and I'm gonna tell you why it is important to know if some redirects are pointing to your site, or why actually it's important to look at 301 redirects. Also, if competitors have got 301 redirects, you should know that. So one tool to find out if there are 301 redirects is the BLP tool. It's the backlink profiler tool of link research tools. So you could go in and look at the link status like you see here, and we're gonna check out the redirects. We see that we're having like 15 links coming from redirects, so we're gonna check that out. If we look at the charts, we see the URL, what is redirected. It could be domains or it could be sub pages, as you see. So for example, here it's just the IP address that is redirected. That's probably a wrong configuration of the server. But here it's also like whole domain, so expediamaps.com is redirected to expedia.com. And as you see here, it's the redirect choose metric. If it's a 301 redirect, it will show us that the choose is flowing to the domain, so the link value is being counted. So actually all the links that expediamaps.com has got pointing to Expedia Maps will now be all the link choose, all the link power will now be transmitted to expedia.com because it's a 301 redirect. Google stated that they are also trying to treat 302 redirects like a 301, so also trying to give link value to the new domain if they can figure out that actually it should be a 301, but you misconfigured it somehow. But I would really try to make it right the first time. So if you want to have the link choose to your new domain, if you're redirecting, use a 301 redirect. So actually, it could be a tactic also of your competitors if they're having loads of domains giving link value using 301. You should really look at the competitor's link profile and check that out. It could be a negative SEO thing if loads of off-topic actually pages point, if you're having Viagra sites or some porn sites pointing to you or redirected to you. These days that doesn't really work anymore, but you should keep that in mind. And if you are using like expired domains, that could be a strategy to set up expired domains and redirect them using 301. The expired domain really has to be on topic. It's not working that good anymore these days, but keep that in mind, and keep in mind that also the backlinks from the old domain, if they are redirected 301 to the new domain, you would have to count or look at. So actually you would have to go in here, and I can click here and start a quick backlink report of the domain, and actually all the backlinks they are having, that's quite a lot. Look at that. Expedia Map has got 1,618 referring domains. So if I'm doing a check on that website, also if I'm doing some cleanup, or if I'm doing some filing a reconsideration request or having a penguin issue, I would have to look at that metrics, because now it's 301 redirected. The links of that expediamap.com domain, they will count for expedia.com now. And also this kind of anchor text, if I sort it by count, Expedia Maps, Microsoft Expedia Maps, I mean, it looks like natural, but if you would have like a very high percentage of exact match anchor text, remember that actually you would have to count that high percentage to the new domain now. So it's very important to keep your 301 redirects in mind, and check the 301 redirects like on a at least monthly basis.